Who's hungry? Let's make some ribeye steak. What you gonna need? Potatoes, onions, garlic, mushrooms, cream of mushrooms, pork gravy, and butter. I got these ribeye steaks for sale for $18 damn, y'all. $18. Y'all see how much they cost originally, right? $41.97. Hell no, not me. $18.31. All right. Throw some butter in the crock pot. Bam. Bam. Butter. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Give it a little mix around. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut that garlic up. Garlic. You can use seasoned oil or you can use steak seasoning. It's your choice, okay? But we are going to season these bad boys up a little bit. I'm going to use steak seasoning, okay? Steak seasoning. Go ahead and use some seasoning oil or some onion powder or something like that. Ouch, that bad boy is hot, son. Woo. That bad boy is smoking hot. Woo. Alright, let me be a little bit more careful and add this. I forgot I had turned it on for a while before I started putting everything on. And the size of them damn pot hot as hell. Damn. That's gonna leave a mark. It is. Alright. Once you've done seasoning your steak, we're gonna go ahead and add a little pepper to it, okay? Can y'all see that? Pepper. We're gonna add these good old mushrooms. Keep the mushrooms in there. Oh, keep the mushrooms in there. Like, who don't like mushrooms, man? Next step, onions, okay? Onions. Gotta have onions. Onions and steak always go good together. It's always a good combo. My family don't like onions like that, but I do. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little steak seasoning to these onions and those mushrooms. And then we're gonna go gravy. Gravy. We add a little water to that, shake it up, and put the rest in there, man. You know how we do it. Add just around to the sides, okay? Bam. Cream of mushroom. Then we're just gonna let that bad boy cook for a couple of hours, and we'll see how this turn out. Oh, this steak is done. Oh my gosh, look at that, man. Oh gosh. Oh. All right, this just smells so good, y'all. It just smells so good. You got your carrots. You got your no carrots. God damn it, I forgot the carrots, y'all. Well, you got your potatoes. You got your onions, and you got your mushrooms, okay? Let me get this out the way.
Don't eat on my potatoes.
I know, I'm not going to eat the potato. I have to get some carrots. Carrots.
You say onions. Carrots one more time.
Why do I keep saying carrots? I'm an idiot. Let me show y'all how tender this meat is. Look at that. That's fat right there, but let me get a bite of that. There you go. Oh, that's so good. Oh my God. But that is good, y'all. That is good. I got some Brussels sprouts over there. I'm gonna throw to the side. But But this is really good, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you want to try this recipe, go ahead and try it. I got all the recipes in the beginning of the video. Hit the like button. I want to show y'all how juicy this tender this meat was, man. Look at that. That bad boy is literally falling apart, y'all. Trying to tell y'all. Act like you know.